up everybody, today I'm going to be making a tutorial about how to make your own intro online for free, like my one I made in the first of the video. First you're going to go to a link, all the links in the description box down below. So you have here lots of intros and outros. So you see guys, that's the first one is my intro that I use, so I'm gonna go to it guys and go click here on open in Clipmaker. Then we're gonna wait for it to load. Then when it's done, okay, first you have to click on this eye. You have to click on this eye and click on the pause button, and that's how it will be. It should look like this. Should look like this. And if you like it, you should go to this cube and look for a word that says text. So you're going to go here and write it's your channel name. I'm gonna write it's all for and fun. No, I'm gonna write it's all for and gonna enter. I'm gonna write here for and gonna write here fun, then enter again. So when I gonna see the video again, it will say it's all for fun. So let's see it. See that guys? As you can see here guys, that the word text came here 2 times. In other templates or intro templates, it could want your name 3 times or 4 times, even 5 times, maybe 6 times or 7 times, maybe 7 times. So I'm gonna show you a template that will need your name a lot, like this template that says suck me PP. So I'm gonna open in Clipmaker, and you're gonna wait for it to load again, and click on the eye and click here. See guys? Whoa, this one looks very cool. So I really like it. So I'm gonna write here it's all for fun. As you can see here guys, it needs the word it's all for fun 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I'm probably not gonna type it's all for fun 5 times. I'm just gonna write it's all for fun. I'm gonna copy it, enter. I'm gonna paste it in every text. That's way easier instead of writing it's all for fun 5 times. Just gonna copy and paste. And paste it, enter. Forgot to do this one. Paste it and click here, enter. So let's see it again guys. Let's see. I'm just gonna make sure that, oh, I forgot to do this one. So I'm gonna paste here, click, enter. Now let's see it guys, and tell me guys if you like it. Whoa, it looks very good. Now guys, it's time to learn how to save it in your PC or on your Mac. First you're gonna go here to the download sign and click here on start video render, and it will tell you it will take about 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video, and when it's done I'm gonna show it to you guys. The video is done, the render is done, so it will tell you download your video or return to editing. Of course I want to download my video, so I'll click here. It will tell you thank you for pausing, your download is starting. And the video should be downloaded on your Mac or on your PC. Goodbye guys, and I hope you like. And make sure, guys, if you want to ask me a questions, tell me in the comment section below. Write Q&A and hashtag whatever it's called, and write your questions.